You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, British English pronunciation first. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, words that many get wrong, stay tuned, I've got many more for you. So British English pronunciation first. Functionary. Functionary. Sometimes the n syllable is skipped. Functionary. Some pronounce it that way too. Functionary. Now, in American English, in the US, it's more generally pronounced as functionary. Functionary. American English, US, or functionary. British English. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.